All right, so this is lesson 1.7, which is simplifying algebraic expressions and explain what it means to simplify. So we're going to go through example number 1, which is just simplifying this expression here. And the first step to simplifying is to distribute the negative 2 to the x plus 5, because we need to get rid of these parentheses before we can really move on. So I'm going to rewrite this as 4x plus 5, and then I'm going to distribute the negative 2 to both. So it'll be negative 2 times x, and then negative 2 times 5. And then I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. So this equals 4x plus 5 minus 2x minus 10. And the next step is going to be to combine like terms. So much like yesterday. So anything that's a like term, I'm going to highlight the same color. This is a 4x, so I'll also highlight the negative 2x. This is a positive 5, so it's a constant. Negative 10 is also a constant. So 4 minus 2 is 2x, and then 5 minus 10 is going to be a negative 5. Okay, moving on to some harder questions. I'm going to zoom in for this really quick. So in example number 2, I need to simplify each expression as much as possible. So much like the last example, the first thing I'm going to do is distribute the negative 2. Let me go ahead and write that first. So it'll be negative 2 times x, and then negative 2 times negative 5. And then when I get here, I see there's another distribution. I'm going to do that as well. Make sure and grab the negative 10. So we're going to do double distribution. Now it'll be negative 10 times 2, then negative 10 times negative x. I'm going to simplify all these multiplication. Negative 2x. Negative times negative is a positive. 2 times 5 is 10. Negative times a positive is a negative. 10 times 2 is 20. Negative times a negative is a positive. 10 times x is 10x. Now that I've got rid of the parentheses, I'm going to combine like terms. I see I have a negative 2x and a positive 10x. And then a negative 10, positive 20. So negative 2x plus 10x. So the signs are different, so I'll subtract the numbers. 10 minus 2 is 8. Keep the sign with the bigger number, so this will stay positive. Then 10 minus 20, so subtract the two numbers, which is 10. Keep the sign with the bigger number. Number 4 is a little bit different, okay? Notice that I have this fraction here. Okay, and I can't combine like terms in the numerator. So what I'm actually going to do, and I'm going to make a note up here in the margin. If I had 1/2 plus 3/2, we would, because they have common denominators, we would add the numerators and keep the denominator, right? It'd be 1 plus 3 divided by 2. With that being said, I should also be able to break this up. So if 1/2 plus 3/2 is 1 plus 3 divided by 2, then 1 plus 3 divided by 2 should be 1/2 plus 3/2, right? So you can do both. I'm going to go ahead and do this here. This will be 6 divided by 2, 6x divided by 2, plus 4 divided by 2. So I can also break it up. Then rewrite everything else. Negative 2x plus 12. Simplify each fraction separately. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and the x just floats along. Plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. Rewrite everything else. Now that I have one line of an equation, 3x minus 2x will be 1x. And then 2 plus 12 will be 14. Feel free to replay that if you need another look at it.